Hi, my name is Eddie Namayai. I'm here to present of what we've done so far for assignment 3 for 2002 on behalf of my friend and I, who is unavailable today to present due to some commitments. Uh, we both have collaborated to develop the website. He did the front end and front end of the website, and I did the backend, which is the admin side of the website. Anyway, let's begin to demonstrate what we've done. Okay, first of all, we have uh, I have to directly go to the website. Okay, here is the website. Here's the website we have done so far. Okay. Anyways, in details, I developed the front end. All the HTML files are editable here. So we are using Visual Studio as a for coding. Here is the front end HTML as well as the backend. Uh, we are collaborate via GitHub and do the website. So under public styles, HTML files are hold under public here. The folder public is under public folder. It contains a lot of HTML files with the CSS as well, and script for SQL database, server.js, as well as that's the front end of the website. APIs and database. Okay, to demonstrate how it works, okay, before that, we should mentioning or demonstrate what we have done via a cPanel account. account. But for myself, for my case, uh, I have been facing lots of issues regarding my cPanel account. Here is some of the evidences that I have been faced when I try to log into my uh, cPanel account. My account is suspended. Yeah, it shows some of the results. My account is suspended. And of course, I try to manage the message from last week, but maybe it's kind of maybe there's a problem regarding cPanel server side. Okay, anyways, here is what my friend Jake did uh, for the front end. Okay, yeah. Okay, when click on page, it's elaborate on the events that we have been created, and here is the upcoming events, booking for kids, health and harmony. Okay, when click view details, it takes directly to the event details. Yeah. Okay, for the sets, when navigating from the navigation, it's working properly. It can select any dates to book the event. And the category, here is the category, all the venues. Okay, and here is the filter. Okay, for the register, when you try to register for an event, you can click browse events. When you click browse events, it takes you to the events that you want to book or register. Sorry, register for the event. Okay. Anyways, try to run it via local host. I jump. Okay, Aperture and MySQL are running. and all the database are working. Yeah. Okay. Not forgetting a GitHub account. For the GitHub, we collaborate via GitHub as well. That's our common interface for the GitHub that we have been collaborate with. Here is the account. When we make edit or make updates via Visual Studio, it automatically make changes via GitHub on local from desktop GitHub desktop. Okay, okay. Here is the account that we covered and do the assignment by GitHub. Here is the command from here, and for my sake, since my account has been suspended, I will be submitting my zip files, which is the admin side, the client side, and API. I will be submitting via here. That's our corporate GitHub as well as my personal GitHub account as well. I'm gonna submit via here as well. Anyways, uh, for the admin side, I'm going to elaborate a little bit more about the admin side that I have been created. Okay, so let's go to the browser and okay, when you click admin, it will show the user, the admin as an admin. You can use the username and the password that have been created. Like as an admin, I'm using my own credential, which is ready, and password I set as default, but it's a yes. Okay, yes, I type yes. Okay, you can click I from there to see what display. Yeah, and then click login. Okay, if you click login, here is the interface for the admin side. Under admin, I've created all events and add new events, update event, and delete event as well. Admin, like as an admin, is override everything here to monitor and see what is happening on the front end. Like client register for the event, you can see what is happening here. Like for example, when the client is registered for an event, the description says what she or he did, it will appear here. Okay, and then he will decide to send a message there or to delete or something as well. Okay, here is the edit, delete, and everything are displayed here in admin side. Okay, when you try to log out for the site, admin side, when you click log out, it says here, the message says, this page says, are you sure you want to log out? When you click OK, it will take you back to the login page, and then you can click back to the home page and it will show you the front end here. So that's what we did from that's what we did that's what I did for the backend. Let's see, yes, it's working here, it's working properly. Okay, here is our database where localhost creating my name. Okay, not forgetting while running the server from folder that we have been created, uh, it's working here with the local when we try to run the program. Download server.js and it says server up and running on port 3060. That's why we are navigating from page to page here. Okay. here is the database that you can create that I will do it in variety events and in the same event registration. So that's what I did. Okay. For the for the terminal, it's working here. Okay, for the GitHub as well. So for the local, for the testing, everything is working via localhost. It's working properly. But due to my cPanel account issue, I didn't deploy the website via the cPanel. So apologies for that. My friend Jake, he gonna deploy our website via his account on via cPanel from his account. Okay. Anyways, I think that's all what we did for the assignment 3. Thank you very much.